between two stages. Those are two different levels, and to connect those stages we have a little thing that looks like where is it? This thing here? Yeah, there it is. This is our little if you call it galaxy editor, where we connect little levels. So here, if you look, whoops. Yeah, right. You will maybe recognize the first stage as this is the tunnel and this is the tower, and it moves over here and then it connects to this level over here. And if I like move it down like this, it's going to be crap. But it's handy to connect things. And also for me it was a big step because it felt like suddenly we weren't just working on disconnected things, but we were working on a world suddenly, and it had Jens was kind of didn't really see the point of it first, I think, but kind of felt it was cool when you saw it.
Yeah, it looks cool.
Yeah, it looks cool. These things can be done in a little variable field and in a parameter somewhere. But I am very graphically minded. I like to see things laid out.
When you go from one area to another, does it load or does it?
Yeah, it saves the state of the levels, so it's persistent. Okay. Which is why if you go back and forth, you can go all the way to the last.
Does the player notice anything? Is there a seam or a gap, or does it load? Is it like Half-Life, or just it says loading for a second?
Well, the screen goes like this.
Oh.
And then you're there. And that's it. And it was a little cutting bug there now, but usually it works.
Oh, I remember.
Yeah. And we also have another little editor, which is this editor here, which is our rig editor. I had been working on the enemies for a while, and it got a little bit too, manual after a while. So we decided to make something more where you could actually edit things. So if I, for example, just to show it, take his head here and make it a little bit bigger, and then go in game here. Have a little guy with a. You can see his head is a little bit up in the air. Yeah, that was a big help because the workflow going from graphics program to cutting out all the pieces and then putting it all together again it's kind of filled with anxiety and rage. I would describe this. So
raging hormones.
Yeah. And also there are little things that help you out. So if you have his right hand, for example, here. Yep.
Time,
right. So we just has little stretch his arms. Oh. Well, and what did
questions?
What did we show else? Yeah, questions. Let's go questions.
When did you start with this project?
August last year.
Yeah.
So this is also all in our Lua engine.
Yeah.
So the whole code is open source basically for the game.
Yeah. And look.
The game play.
Well.
All this
Yeah.
And the editor, everything. So we will probably add some kind of encryption to the maps. I'm not sure. I haven't figured out how to do that yet.
Yeah.
But we don't want people to look at the maps to find all the secrets. We want them to actually find the secrets. We're not sure how to do that.
Yeah, you have to deal with that getting lost. You don't know the map.
Yeah. So we have to. Maybe we'll do something like.
I would suggest you just leave the maps open because if someone wants to see the secrets, they're going to spoil it for themselves. But
Yeah.
who cares? I think the benefit of having the maps open so that people can modify them and so on is going to be much greater than the negative of having them see the secrets.
Yeah.
And then it's less work too. So.
Yeah. Sorry? It runs on Windows. We would like to get. I would like to have it on one of the consoles because just for a commercial reason, really, to reach a lot of people. But since we want people to mod this game, our main target is Mac and Windows. Although the engine doesn't run on Mac right now.
Almost.
Almost.
For the Lua stuff, did you use any binding library or anything like that?
No, but we are using Lua just in time. Okay, the Lua Jinx. We found another one. I don't remember the name, but we found another one which didn't require. I don't remember what it was. But yeah, there was some problem.
Yeah.
So we're going to try another one as well. But for binding, we only use Lua, and then we have written our own stuff.
And the graphics, is it OpenGL or?
Yeah, this is DirectX. Yeah.
It looks really good. It looks really fun too. It's awesome.
Yeah. Well, questions more?
Are you using the UI library for the editor?
Yeah.
Yeah. The UI library.
The editor.
Yeah.
What? Sorry, once again.
The buttons, the scoreboards, everything that everything that picks up, so
it's within the Daisy engine, so that's not Lua code. I mean, like we have made a binding which is GUI.create element, and then you would say I want a button.
But it's your own library, right? So you're not using something off the.
No, our engine is based on Irlish. So many of the classes are from Irlish. But Irlish didn't have very good skinning options by the time we got it. So we changed that a lot. So
Petri.
yeah.
Last question.
Patrick. Last question.
Are you guys using Box 2D for it?
Yes, it's
Yes.
possible.
And for the platform?
Yes.
What's your feeling of doing a platforming game with Box 2D?
Well, basically what we're doing is we give box 2D position, speed, rotation, and angle, and then we physics step it, and then we take out the collisions basically, and then we hack all the reactions.
Yeah, so we use
You're
box.
basically using it mostly for collision
Yeah,
detection?
basically.
Yeah.
That's right. And the rest is most of the little pickups that fly around, like a little pearl and egg. Those are basically box 2D. We'll leave it to that. But for characters, hack it.
Are you gonna have a demo video set up?
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, we want to go to
Yeah.
that. We will
Set it up somewhere, because
Why did you decide to hack them
it's a lot of pain to settle out the physics parameters in box 2D to like prevent sliding and get nice jump altitudes and stuff like that. It's very, very tricky.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
Great.